Welcome to India Quiz. Among the following, who is the President of Asian Development Bank? Who was the first to receive Gyanpith Award from Jammu and Kashmir? Dash won the Abel Prize for Mathematics on March 22, 2007. The world's youngest Grandmaster, Parimarjan Negi, belonged to who was awarded the Man Booker International Prize 2007. Which Indian batsman was rated in the top 10 of the ICC ODI ranking as on January 11, 2007? Among the following games, Ashok Kumar is associated with Dash defeated Roger Federer in the Kooyong Classic Tennis Championship held in Melbourne on January 13, 2007. Who is the author of the novel Shalimar the Crown? Kamaleshwar is a famous Dash writer. Which batsman scored highest number of centuries in international cricket? What is the name of the Indian missile fired successfully on February 4, 2007? Dash Indian shooter won silver medal in International Airgun Competition held at Munich, Germany on January 27, 2007. The United Nations declared Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, October 2nd, as the The 12th Asian Summit was held at Dash on Jan 14, 2007. Who was crowned Miss World 2006? The India-China Trade 2006 accumulated to Dash according to the Chinese Commerce Ministry report released on Jan 30, 2007. Where was the new 7 Wonders of the World declared? Who won the Senior National Billiards title held at Bangalore on January 22, 2007? Which organization gave Director General Special Award to Mr. Anbumani Ramdas? Which batsman won Man of the Series award during India-West Indies series held in January 2007? The 2010 Commonwealth Games will be held at Who was conferred with Asian American Award 2007? Dash ballistic missile was successfully test fired on April 12, 2007 in India. Among the following, who is related to golf game? The first Indian swimmer to qualify for the Beijing Olympics is the Lokmanya Award 2007 winner Dr. A. Shivathanu Pillai is a Among the following countries, Dash is the fourth largest foreign investor in India. The 8th Hindi Conference was held at Among the following, who was awarded with National Bioscience Award? Which bowler created history when he took 4 wickets in consecutive balls in World Cup Cricket 2007? Mr. Darji Kandu sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Dash on April 9, 2007. The swimming champion Michael Phelps belongs to Dash was appointed Lieutenant Governor of Delhi on April 5, 2007. Serena Williams of USA won the Dash, which was held in Miami on April 1, 2007. Who stayed in the International Space Station for a long time? Who was awarded as the Business Person of the Year 2006 by Sunday Times Magazine? The first woman President of India, Mrs. Pratibha Patil, was the former Governor of Among the following, who is the President of Asian Development Bank? India's communication satellite INSAT 4B was successfully launched on March 12, 2007 from The Arjuna Award was given for the first time in the year which batsman hit 6 sixes in consecutive balls in ODI to create world record. The US House Speaker visited Saudi Arabia on April 5, 2007. Who is the manufacturer of the world's biggest passenger aircraft Airbus A380? When was China-Japan Energy Pact signed? The 94-year-old Phyllis Turner, who was given a university master degree, belongs to won the Bahrain Formula 1 Grand Prix held on April 15, 2007. Which cricket team won the World Cup Cricket 2007? Dash has been recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. The India's PSLV C-8 carried Dash satellite into space on April 23, 2007.